Dear learners, today we are going to start a new topic for the student of tourism and hospitality department. Dear learners, you can see on the board that I have written the subject name basic English, basic English and subject code I have written in bracket 69913. This is the subject code. Especially this subject is designed for the first semester student, tourism and hospitality. The students, just today I will talk about this course and I will try to give you a clear idea about this subject, and by that is we can say it is introductory class. So just I will introduce yourself with this subject. Okay, so be careful and listen to my lecture one by one. I will discuss the topic. Dear student, we know that the name is basic English. So what is basic English? First we have to know what is basic English. Basic means base. Basic means base, and English, it is a name of an international language. And especially in our country, we give importance on English, and in our country we can say English, it is a international language. It is an international language, and in our country it is a lingua franca. What is lingua franca? Lingua franca means mixed language. Mixed language. Mixed language. Lingua franca means mixed language. When we talk with our close friends, with our friends, especially with our teachers, with any person with disability, and especially we know that student of tourism department, they have to communicate with different type of peoples in the hotel, restaurant, and tourist spot, historical destination. In different places you have to communicate with the native people, sometimes with the foreign peoples, and you have to deal with the customers, because you are going to study and you are going to complete diploma in tourism and hospitality. That is why I can say that this language is very important for you, dear student. So we can say without learning English, the student of tourism department, they cannot communicate, they cannot cope up with the foreign guest, native guest. Okay, and you have and tourism department means you have to work in an industry. Industry means hotel, motel, restaurant, tourist destination, picnic spot, and sports. In different sector you have to work. So dear student, you have to give importance on basic English, and basic means the first preliminary some topics. By studying these topics you have to improve your English. Okay, so you have to be very careful in English, and without learning English you cannot be a good student, and you cannot be a good student. So dear student, now we are going to talk about the remaining topics. In basic English, some topics you have to study, and some books are available in the market. You can collect these books, and in the basic English you have to study some topics First, in group A, you will get some unseen comprehension, seen comprehension. This has been selected from the